This is the chapel at Graceland Cemetery in Chicago. Originally built in 1888, designed by Holabird and Roche, and restored in 2009 by the cemetery. In the 1930s and 1950s, there were additions that added to the north side additional chapel sanctuary spaces and crematorium below. And in 2008, the cemetery, working with Northworks architects, planned a restoration to bring back the original intention of the chapel. We found old photographs and old drawings at the Chicago History Museum and put forth a plan to recreate the arts and crafts style that was here before the turn of the century. We kept the steel structure, we kept the masonry walls, we kept the steel floor, and cladded the steel rafters and tie beams in oak, consistent with the original chapel. And then an important component to the new chapel is the columbarium for the resting place of urns here at the cemetery. The chapel is now filled with services and events, and it is now open to the public 5 days a week here at Graceland to enjoy and sit amidst the wonderful landscape here at the cemetery.